Hey everybody. Alright, so I found another AcmeTools promotion going on. This one is for Dewalt tools. So I have this up on the screen. Free Dewalt 20 volt max 2 battery starter pack promotion on select bare tools. And this is a very comprehensive list. Free Dewalt 20 volt max 2 battery starter pack promotion. Purchase 2 Dewalt bare tools shown below and receive a Dewalt DCB205-2CKF 20 volt max 5 amp hour 2 battery starter pack free. Promotion item will automatically be added to your shopping cart. Expires June 30th, 2020 while supplies last. They have the right angle drill, which is DCD740B. They have the jigsaw, which this looks like the older model, jigsaw DCS331B. They have the DCS391B, which is the left-facing blade circular saw. They have the DCF883B 3/8 wrench. They have the older brushed model of the Recip DCS380B, older brushed model of the angle grinder with the D handle, DCG412B. They have the smaller, I think this is the 3 1/4 or 4 3/8, something like that. Bladed saw, left facing, DCS373B. They have another wrench, DCF880B. They have this looks like a shop vac, DCV581H. They have the grease gun, DCGG571B. A nailer, DCN692B, drywall, cutoff tool, to me it's just a drywall router, DCS551B. They have the small compact bandsaw, DCS371B, drywall gun, DCF620B, looks like a 1/2 inch impact, DCF899B, smaller 7 1/4 miter saw, DCS361B, might be a larger impact wrench, DCF897B, DCF898B, which is I think the 7/16 call it. Looks like a hammer drill, DCD791B, it's a hammer drill. Impact driver, DCF887B. They have the full-size, deep-cut, variable speed bandsaw, which is DCS374B. They have the smaller compact recip, DCS387B. The little small vacuum, DCV517B. DCD991B, the DCD996 bare tool, Dewalt planer, DCP580B. They have the shears, DCS491, larger pair of shears, DCS496B, another drywall install gun, DCF622B, DCF890B, which looks like a 3/8 anvil impact, DCS367B, Recip, which is the XR, DCS494B, which is another set of shears, DCF888, DCG413FB, kind of looks like a polisher. I've never seen that one before. Right facing circular saw, 7 1/4, DCS570B. They have the straight die grinder, DCG426B. The Dewalt fan I have. It's actually sitting across from me. Works very well. Shop fan, DCE511B. They have the DCD997. The tower light, DCL079B. Another wrench, DCF894. Random orbital sander, DCW210B. They have the 20-volt router, which I have this router, DCW600B. They have the floodlight, DCL074, and some of these, I'm probably naming them wrong. The DCB205-2CKF, which is the battery kit, and they have an SDS hammer, DCH263B. Now, if we go to the cart, because I added some of these to the cart, I added the bandsaw and the fan. And if you look at it, DCS374B, which is the deep cut bandsaw. It is not the dual trigger, it is the single trigger. And the shop fan, DCE511B. And it did pop up the free gift of the 2 batteries, which the 2 battery, 5 amp hour batteries, and the charger in the bag is normally $299 for the starter pack. So you're getting $300 off, which is, it's pretty decent deal in my opinion. If anybody's looking for Dewalt tools, any of those tools I listed and named off, it's a pretty good deal. It doesn't have to be like the bandsaw. It could be the fan and another item you like. Just has to be 2 bare tools. So, it could be $150 if you can find 2 bare tools that are not $300. And you can still get $300 off. So, it's not a bad price. So, I just wanted to give a heads up. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Appreciate you guys taking the time to watch. Appreciate you guys stopping by. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.